Hi friends, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty. Now see the explanations for forensic laboratory exam. What is the possible product in the reaction given below? So alkyl bromide is given. It is treated with base OH minus hydroxide ion and undergoes SN2 reaction, bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. We know that in this SN2 reaction, inversion takes place. That means configuration is changed in the product compared to reactant. See here. So this is the given structure. If we give priority order, it is a asymmetric carbon atom. This one also asymmetric carbon atom. Now this bromine undergo change. That means this bromine is substituted by OH. That's why we have to focus at this asymmetric carbon atom. So in reactant, priority order is first priority, second, third and fourth. So in SN2 we know the product alcohols are formed. Bromine is replaced by OH. But due to this SN2 reaction, the product undergo inversion. That means OH attached here and then rearrangement takes place, then we can get this one. So this is the product. So reason is, why do we get this structure instead of other structure? Means here reaction undergoes SN2 reaction, SN2 mechanism. That's why inversion takes place. Hence we can get this structure as the product. Then what is the answer? Option B is the answer. Next. How many of the following substitution nucleophilic substitution reactions will give product by rearrangement? Here 6 reactions are given. All these are nucleophilic substitution reactions. But in these 6 reactions, how many reactions will give product by rearrangement? It means some reactions without rearrangement give products, some reactions undergoing rearrangement give products. We have to identify these two types. See this. This is first one, CH3. 3 methyl groups attached to the carbon and halogen is treated with alkyl tertiary butyl chloride treated with water. Then we can get tertiary butyl alcohol. In this, no rearrangement. If we see the mechanism, chloride ion is removed and carbocation is formed. That is the tertiary butyl carbocation. It is very stable because it is a tertiary carbocation and then OH attached to that carbocation, positively charged carbon, OH minus, then we can get alcohol. So in this reaction, no rearrangement occurs. Next one, benzene ring having bromine in the side chain. Ethyl group, one side benzene ring attached, other side bromine is attached. This aralkyl bromide is treated with NaSH. Okay, sodium hydrogen bromide, NaSH. Then what happens? Initially Na plus combines with this bromine and is removed as NaBr. Then we can get carbocation, positively charged carbon is developed at this position. That is this one. It is a tertiary carbocation because in this positively charged carbon is bonded with one other carbon. So it is a tertiary carbocation. If we see the carbocation stability, this is primary carbocation. This positively charged carbon atom attached to one other carbon, it is a primary carbocation. The carbocation stability is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. So here hydride shift takes place. At this carbon, 2 hydrogen atoms are there. One hydrogen shifted to this, positive charge shifted to this. That is hydride shift. Then we can get this type of carbocation. It is a secondary carbocation. Because this positively charged carbon is attached to this carbon and this carbon, it has more stability than this one. And then SH minus attached to this positively charged carbon, we can get products, thioalcohols. So here rearrangement occurs. Next. In this reaction, this is also alkyl bromide. This compound name is 2,2-dimethyl 1-bromopropane. 2,2-dimethyl 1-bromopropane is treated with Ag plus and then water. First, silver ion combines with this bromine and is removed in the form of AgBr. Then at this carbon, positive charge is developed. It is a primary carbon because it is bonded with one other carbon. Now, in this, methyl shift takes place. This methyl group is shifted to this carbon atom. Positive charge shifted to this. Then we can get tertiary carbocation. So this tertiary carbocation having more stability than this one. That's why this type of rearrangement takes place. This ion is treated with water. We can get this one, OH2. Water molecule is attached at this carbon atom. We can get this type of ion. From this OH2 plus, H plus is removed. Then we can get primary final product. This is tertiary alcohol. So in the formation of this product, reactant undergo rearrangement. Next, here also same alkyl bromide. This is 2-methyl 1-bromopropane is treated with the same reagent Ag plus and H2O. First Ag silver ion combines with this bromine and is removed as AgBr. We can get primary carbocation. Now from this carbon atom, hydride shift takes place. That means rearrangement takes place. We can get tertiary carbocation. It is more stable than primary. And then treated with water, we can get this ion. From this, H plus is removed. We can get tertiary butyl alcohol. In this also rearrangement takes place. And fifth reaction, benzene ring having halogen in the side chain. From this, halogen is removed. Then we can get carbocation. This carbocation is more stable because it is a tertiary carbocation. This carbon atom attached to this carbon, this one and this one. So it is more stable. This ion is treated with water. We can get alcohol. In this reaction, no rearrangement takes place. The formed carbocation itself having more stability. That's why no rearrangement. Next, sixth reaction. Here also bromine atom is removed. Then we can get carbocation. This carbocation is a secondary carbocation because this carbon atom, positively charged carbon attached to this carbon and this one. In this, hydride shift takes place. H minus ion is shifted from this carbon to this carbon. Then we can get this one. Positive charge shifted here, H minus shifted here. We can get this one. It is a tertiary carbocation. This positively charged carbon is bonded to this carbon 2 and 3. That's why it has more stability than this one. It is treated with water. We can get this ion. From this, H plus is removed. Then we can get alcohol. So here also rearrangement takes place. Finally, how many reactions form products by undergoing rearrangement? Sixth one, fourth one, third one, second one. Total 4. Then what is the option? Option B is the answer. Okay, we'll meet you in the next class.